glad it didn't work out this morning. Ah, it's coming together in my brain. This is so cool. You guys are awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Sweet. You made the same height, too.
It's like you planned it this way.
It's like we measured it or something.
Mel and Curtis have this very cool urban vibe to them.
It's remarkably visually light. It's black iron, and you would think that would look heavy. It doesn't.
There we go. This is the centerpiece. This is the showstopper.
They have really hit it out of the park on this one. They really have.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my goodness.
So the handrail is offcuts from the shelves. Shelves had a lot of rod in them, and we went ahead and poured it with black epoxy, and then when we trimmed them to length, these came off.
So that's black epoxy.
Yeah.
I feel like this needs to go this direction.
Actually,
Yeah.
I would do it the opposite.
Would you?
Because it's so light up there.
Now, do you want us to level that off, or do you just want it at the angle like that?
You know what? I feel like
Yeah, it'll be
I'm
fine.
comfortable trusting your judgment on that. The guys do have the wood for the handrail that's gorgeous. We're gonna leave them to do their business because we got other things to do. And I'm really excited to come back and see it completely 100% put together and done. All right.
Thank you.
Guys.
Oh, you guys are
Beautiful.
awesome.
I
Take
love
care.
it. Like a nice, clean little layer, fluffy. We're putting the finishing touches on Mel and Curtis's house, and although the landscaping didn't change much, a fresh coat of mulch really goes a long way. It's like a fresh coat of paint around the shrubs. The biggest job today is moving in all the furniture and the finishing touches, and really the biggest thing is Gary and his son's custom dining room table that we're gonna be moving in. This table looks bomb. Ooh.
Yeah, but not with this stuff on it.
No, I'll go grab the fruit. That stuff comes off.
Let's get rid of this.
Everything we're doing in this house combines this urban, modern, edgy kind of vibe with touches of rustic throughout. And the furniture we chose reflects that as well. We're pairing a soft-toned, warm couch with a really modern leather chair, alongside the industrial iron staircase and the handcrafted wood railing. Okay.
Transformation from what they had before to what they have now is phenomenal.
It's just so them.
It's such a huge responsibility when you're working with homeowners to get it right. And I feel like we've gotten it right.
We'll know for sure tomorrow because Mel and Curtis are coming to look at the house, and hopefully they're going to love what we've done. Good morning.
Hello.
I'm so excited.
Good to see you.
Hi, how are you?
You are doing the whole thing.
All right, come on.
All right.
You guys haven't actually driven by or seen the outside?
No, she's been adamant about not going by, so we've been...
Good, that's tough. You guys have
Yeah,
more
you have no
self-control
idea.
than I do.
Yeah.
I would not be able to do that.
It's definitely been tough.
I need to see your eyes when you give the reaction. You can look, you can look.
Oh, man.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
You can actually like see our house now.
Before, it was a
Yeah,
dirty gray,
with...
nothing really popping. The front porch had a little bit of wear and tear, and just none of it looked like exciting and fresh and young, and you guys are cool. So we definitely needed to give it a more young, urban feel, and I think this color, and we did the waterfall step down it, it doesn't feel like this like little gauntlet to get up onto this little tiny
Agreed,
porch.
yeah.
Yeah, it looks bigger somehow.
Did you notice the different kind of siding that's above the front porch?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
It's called board and batten, and it was
Okay.
just to break it up a little, give you a little more dimension and variety.
Yeah, it looks great.
Well, you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Yes,
Come on.
please.
Yeah.
Through your new front door. Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Whoa. This is great. This is amazing.
This feels like a new house. This
Yeah.
is awesome.
Well, because this is a
Pretty
completely
much.
new space you're in.
Yes.
I mean, your front door was just past where mine is,
Yeah.
and now you
Yeah.
actually have a little bit of an entryway. You come in and you have all this open space.
Oh my gosh, there's your bar.
There it is. And it's open.
This is
This is crazy.
amazing. It looks so much better.
And where you had your real boogered up header, We now have one giant one that spans the whole space.
This feels safer in here.
Like, I don't feel like it's gonna collapse on me.
Look at the shelves and get excited.
These super, super cool live edge shelves were made by two brothers, Dustin and Caleb, and their dad, Gary. They make really cool stuff. And we got these to match the custom dining table.
Look at you grown-ups with a dining room table.
Right?
This is metal, like they inset metal.
Ooh, cool.
The custom woodwork is awesome. That live edge and everything, it looks fresh. And especially with the iron incorporated with it, it looks really, really cool. I'm really excited about that. I had no idea, so.
Yeah, I love that.
All right, let's check out the kitchen.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's amazing.
Oh my God, it's completely different.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this is great.
Look at the countertops.
So we went with this combination because the green cabinets and the butcher block really kind of play into that organic vibe that you guys like, where the subway complements it well because then it takes it a little bit more urban.
I'm shocked. This is great.
Yeah,
amazing.
so we made the windows bigger, which I think
Yes.
helps give that big wide open feel, and the walls are lighter. This being open is huge because your
Yeah.
door was right here. So now you've got all the light coming from the back, but I think even with the uppers, it feels bigger than it did after you guys did your demo.
I like the small subway tile. That's cute.
We went with the dark grout. It kind of
Yeah.
makes it a little more urban
love that.
feeling.
A little edgy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next up is your living room, and I'm super excited about it. You want to take it that way?
This way.
Oh wow.
that's
Oh my
awesome.
God. This is
This is
amazing.
crazy.
I know you wanted an iron metal stair railing. What do you think about how that got
It's the same people that
interpreted?
did.
Yes.
Yeah.
That looks awesome.
They
Oh my
are
God, yeah.
so talented, you guys.
That looks so good.
No, that's better than I could have imagined. It's a cool element.
Yeah.
It's just so different.
But also, the dog has a really nice space that goes all the way around.
That's awesome.
And then the cat has its own spot
my
with the little
gosh.
stairs up into the nook.
Oh, he'll love it.
If you step into the living room, you have a brand new fireplace.
Oh my God. What?
Surprise!
That's amazing. I've been wanting a fireplace for so long.
Yes. So that was his request. He said he wanted to do a little special something
Oh,
for you.
thanks. It looks so much better. There are a lot of new additions to the house that I'm really excited about. The fireplace, for one.
Fireplace is great.
That's amazing. And
Yeah.
then that little nook for the
Yeah, under the
dogs and the
stairs,
cat.
I've always wanted to utilize something there because it was wasted space.
So it's the same footprint, but I feel like your issue before is it felt so small.
Yeah.
And the light paint,
Yeah.
the furniture placement changing a little bit, I think really helps. And you worked so hard on the
did.
shiplap. We had to have that stay.
Awesome.
You guys want to go check out your master suite?
Kind of.
Well, you remember what it was like before.
I don't even know.
All right, your master suite.
Ooh. Ah, so bright. I love this light fixture too. That's awesome. This is great. I just I'm so happy.
Before this didn't exist, your bedroom was this small space and that was it. So this was all created because we were able to do the front porch.
Awesome. We got nightstands.
Nightstands, yeah.
And you have plenty of room for storage right behind you.
Right.
All
Perfect.
right, let's go ahead and check out your ensuite.
All right. Oh my God. There's a bench in the shower.
A little shelf for you too.
Yeah, my product shelf. Oh my God, this is amazing.
This is great.
Wow. Amazing.
Not only did you have no vanity before, now you have a double vanity.
Double.
Your whole bathroom is like a shower. So we did the tile integrated into the floor,
Yes.
and I feel like it makes it feel so big with just that cool piece of glass separating it.
I love
Oh
it.
yeah, it's classic.
Yeah.
That's
Oh
amazing.
my gosh. Oh, I love this so much.
We were a little terrified giving Mina and Karen the reins. We told them what we liked and what we expected, and the end result is above expectations. I love it.
It's just great. They killed it.